dark.
Good.
I'm scared of the dark. I need the lights on.
There's lights built in here for a reason.
Yeah, like, why would you make a car without lights?
What if you lost something, you had to find it?
Officer, I got some shit to look at.
Yeah.
Sorry, sir.
I don't fuck with the dark.
I got some shit to do.
I don't fuck with the dark.
Yeah, I'm scared of the dark. I
leave my
actually
door
hate
open.
the dark.
And the kitchen light open. My roommates fucking hate me.
Honestly, like, we leave the apartment and we leave the kitchen light on, even though we know what we're coming home to. And, like, we know we have to pay extra for that electric bill. I do too, but he's a cat. He can see in the dark. Animals can literally see in the dark.
Cats can, yeah. Not all.
So can dogs.
Yeah.
They can all see in the dark. And we leave the
Actually,
lights
no.
on.
I found out the other day that dogs can't see in the dark.
No.
Really?
No, they can't.
For real, I thought that too.
I thought they could.
Yeah.
So cats can, but not dogs.
Right. Cats, they have
Okay, so we have to stop leaving the light on.
You leave the light on for your cat?
Storm goes, okay, good.
That's so funny.
What did he say in the beginning?
He said, I'm better off single. I've been fucked with enough. I said, me too. He said, okay, good.
What did you talk about?
We finally agree.
Fuck me up. How about you?
His ex-girlfriend slept with his best friend in his bed, but, like, that's not the point. That's not
Has
the point.
he ever thought of fucking Kennedy?
Has he ever thought of my
How you
feelings?
feel?
Absolutely not. So I'm over
Can you
it.
text him?
No.
Why? That's fucked up.
Because I don't care enough.
I hate how guys like think that they got fucked over, but then they don't think of the girls.
It's a double standard.
Like,
It's always a double standard.
I probably have more feelings than you do, homeboy.
It's a
I
double
fucking cry
standard.
twice a day.
It's a double standard.
Like, what the fuck?
And Molly is ranting. And here goes all your YouTube views because she's ranting.
I love it.
I'm
Yeah.
fucking done. Like this fuckboy. I've been talking to you since March, okay? I've definitely been hooking up with him. But I lived for like 2 months. I was like, great, he'll stop talking to me. But then in late August, I came back. He's like, what's up? I'm like, fuck. I thought you were gone. And then he was like, we hooked up like a couple weeks ago. And it was alright. But then I get these like bad like stomach pains. So he's like, then he was like, well, have sex with me. I'm like, nah, I'm not really about it, you fuckboy. And then he's like, would you make excuses all the time? I'm like, I mean, no, like, I seriously have pain, like, fuck off. And, okay, so, like, I told him Thursday, 2 days ago, 2 days ago, that I was done talking to him. And guess what? He texted my roommate and asked...
I don't have your roommate's number. I don't even know your roommate's name. And I've been friends with you for 3 years.
No,
4 years? 5 years?
We all went to a frat party like 2 weeks ago. The day after we got back from Alabama for fucking 3
Where
days.
was my invite?
You were at Anchor with Deb. I was
probably
texting
true.
about my suitcase. So like,
I was at work.
I don't know. They must have like exchanged numbers. So like, I told him that I was done talking to him on Thursday because he was being a fucking dick. I'm like, I'm not dealing with that. Like, I got my own shit to deal with. So I was like, we should take a break. And he's like, all right. He didn't answer. And then this morning, he literally texted my roommate and asked her if he wanted to go to a football game with her and get dinner after. I'm like, what the fucking fuck? I'm like, first of all, you never asked me if you want to do that. When you were talking to me,
You are so extra right now.
and my roommate burst in my room and it was like, this fuckboy is fucking for real. I'm like, I don't get it.
Yo, you should have done what Cassie and I did that one time with Jackson, and she should have said yes, and you should have showed up with her and been like, oh, hey, nice to fucking see you. I'm glad you want to take my roommate out of a date.
The football game's not till Monday.
You should tell her to say yes,
I mean,
and then just go with her.
And then I texted him and I was like, LOL, you're a fuckboy. No, like dead ass. I said, you're a fuckboy. And he's like, what? I'm like, obviously my roommate told me. And like, do you think I'm stupid? She lives in the room next to me.
Dude, I wish you saw have you seen the video of Cassie and I with Jackson?
No.
Okay, the guy that I lost my virginity to,
Which is Jackson.
yes, matched with Cassie, who's my best friend, on Tinder, and was like, hey, like, we should meet up at this, like, convenience store where we're from. Like, we're from a small ass town. Like, he knows her. He knows she's my best friend. He knows she's my best friend. Wait, no, I'm telling a story. Shut up. And I was like, Cassie sent me a screenshot of it, and I was like, yes, like, say yes. Tell him you're gonna meet him there. And she was like, okay. So she was like, yeah, like, let's meet up. We'll have sex in your car, whatever. Like, fucking with him. So her and I pull up, and he rolls down his window, and he was like, I knew this was gonna happen. And he had a girlfriend at the time, which is the worst part. Had a girlfriend. And he was like, I knew this was gonna happen. And I was like, no, you didn't. Like, you had no fucking idea. You made yourself look so dumb.
Fucking dumb.
Like, guys are so stupid. They pretend that they know, but they don't fucking know.
They don't realize that girls find out everything.
Oh my god, Storm is literally blowing me up right
Wait, can I
now.
follow your YouTube channel? What's it called?
Confessions of a Writer.
Oh, wow. Great.
You guys definitely gonna be on there. For real.
Wait, okay. He said, okay, good. We finally agree, and I didn't answer. He goes, I don't want to make this a huge thing, but maybe it's better off if we don't talk. Just let each other focus on ourselves because distance isn't working, and you're in college, and I'm here trying to build my life.
But I'd be like, thanks for the plane ticket.
Okay. I hope things work out with Kennedy.
No,
No. I hope they fucking do because he hates her.
No, but like, he's not talking to her now.
Yes, he is.
You don't know that.
Yes, I do. We talked about it earlier.
He definitely likes you better than her, though.
Well, yeah, but he's still gonna date her.
Well, that's
'Cause I'm not
fucking
there.
stupid.
I'm not
She's
there.
a fucking slut. I don't like her. I haven't liked her since the 5th grade. Because you know what?
I go, okay, I hope things work out with Kennedy because that's clearly why you're doing this. You guys should date, enjoy your life.
No.
No, I literally, Molly, have you looked at me and looked at Storm? Like, I don't mean to sound like a cocky bitch, but I
No, I
am
know.
way better looking than him.
Yeah.
Can I show you the guy who was telling me this right now? Just wait, I'm gonna show your YouTube channel him.
I don't know. I might have to blur his
he's
face
not
out.
like-
Though. I don't know if I
please
can do
don't.
that.
He's not like
Don't.
hot, like, I mean, I don't know, like anyone, but like, he's like you.
I mean, he's not hideous,
And, like-
but he's not.
Like, how much he loves you, like, I think it's worth it.
Okay, no. Can we look at him?
It's fine.
What?
Look at me.
I'm a guy. I don't
Can we
know.
look at me,
I don't
though?
know what that means.
Can we look at me and tell me I'm not an attractive human and look at this man?
Well, that means that he better fucking respect your ass.
He
like-
doesn't. He's an ugly ass piece of shit. He's 26 years old.
Same.
He is in love with a 19-year-old.
Yeah, fuck that.
Like, ew, you're
she's a
filthy.
fucking slut.
Like, literally, thanks
She
for
probably
playing
had sex when she was in the 4th grade.
Probably.
I think with like one of my friends that I used to run with. I'm like, what the
Did I
fuck?
tell you that she told Storm that I looked like a horse and had a worse reputation than her?
Well, she
And
wasn't
I
No way.
I messaged her on Instagram. I didn't tell you guys this?
Wait, let me see the message.
I literally was like, maybe you shouldn't put this on your YouTube channel.
No, I unfollowed
I was
her.
like,
I can edit some stuff.
I was like, keep your name out of my mouth, or keep my name out of your mouth.
Yeah, I unfollowed her because I didn't like her post she did of Storm's boat.
I said,
She definitely did that on purpose.
I said, hey, it'd be much appreciated if you kept my name out of your mouth. Thanks. She goes, why the fuck are you messaging me? I said, because you're talking shit about me, and I don't appreciate it considering you don't know anything about me. She goes, yeah? Who said I'm talking shit? Storm told me. I go, LOL, does it matter? I'm not being a bitch to you. Just keep my name out of your mouth. She goes, LMAO, I'll stop talking shit as soon as you leave Storm alone. I go, haha, I don't think he wants that. She goes, oh yeah? I go, please tell me something I don't know. She said, I just don't understand why you feel the need to hit me up. Like, stay out of my life. I go, you're the one who's talking shit, dude. Otherwise, I wouldn't have a reason to hit you up. She goes, because everyone's running their mouth to me. I go, I'm not going back and forth with you, LOL. All I said was keep my name out of your mouth because you don't know anything about me. And she didn't answer. Like, I wasn't mean to her. Like, don't fucking talk shit about me.
Yeah, you're way prettier than she is. She looks like a fucking...
Devin's outside gas
I
bar.
don't fucking know.
Sometimes though, it's about personality. So.
No, but Austin has a way better personality.
No, he literally texted me 6 hours ago, 4 hours ago, saying I hate her. She annoys the shit out of me. Like, talking so much shit.
So maybe the personality is not what's working
Like,
for
he
her.
always told me over
It's
the
the
summer.
vagina that's working for him.
He always told me over the summer how much she, like, loved you, though.
Okay, but like, I can do so much better here.
Yeah, you can. Like, any guy would kill to have you. I'm just saying that you're better
Like, I
than
don't give a
Kennedy.
fuck. That's the thing. Like, I tried so hard. I was like, listen, I want to make this work. Like, I like you. I think you're a great guy.
You're probably gonna have a whole bunch of comments on the YouTube videos. Guys throwing their numbers out there.
Bunch of
Hit me up.
fuckboys they are.
Hit me up. Because apparently I fall for douchebags.
I know number
wow.
518.
Holy shit.
Saw that, right?
Yes!
was
He almost
so
just
close.
hit the fuck out of that car.
I don't know why he going fast down this road in the first
Wait,
place.
It's
That's
down.
right
right,
up
right
there,
there in
yeah.
the corner.
It's right up here.
it'd probably
down.
be easier. Well, I guess it doesn't matter. Devin's at the pizza. Did you just hiccup? Yep.
Yeah, cute.
Hold your breath for 10 seconds.
I got it on record.
And wait, I think you like tickle the up.
What?
You have to eat
Tickle
peanut butter. Peanut butter will give it a bit.
We should go to Big Easy and they give peanut butter.
I don't
No,
think
I
they
heard
do.
you
Oh, they
yes.
sell peanut butter and jellies.
Educate me and everybody how does peanut butter will get rid of it.
If you have the hiccups,
do
you
that
need to eat
on
peanut
camera.
butter
It's
because
so
it will. Okay, this is gonna sound
with your
stupid,
tongue.
but I'm drunk and I know what this means, but I'm not gonna be able to explain it. It basically like stops the hiccup and it like swallows it back down, and then you don't have the hiccups anymore.
That's genius.
I'm
Why
actually a
don't you
nursing
charge
major.
me?
Like
I
I'm
didn't
not
believe
lying
her.
to you. I
didn't believe
Doesn't make
her,
sense
but
right
then I
now.
tried it and it worked.
For real.
Right
Yeah.
now?
I was like, that's
Everyone's
just
like-
not real.
stand
Oh,
on your
peanut
head and drink water upside down. Scare yourself. Hold your breath for 10 seconds. And I'm like, fuck you. You're idiots.
I'll hold my
Eat
breath
peanut
for a
butter.
minute.
Right. I wish I
Peanut
knew
butter.
that like my whole life.
Right?
That's okay.
Peanut butter
Crazy.
will save your life. It will
I'm sure
save
I'll
your
hold my
life.
Hey.
Okay, yeah. We can get out right here.
Alright.
Thank you. It was
Hey,
nice meeting all of you.
definitely. I feel like that would creep people out. So there's probably a bunch of guys watching right now. I think you guys want to give them any tips.
But if you ugly, let me tell you, worst thing ever was